Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to deposit money on Exness. The first step is to go to the official Exness website. Then log into your personal area. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up first. Now you need to go to Deposit section. In your personal area, click on Deposit. Choose your preferred payment method like bank, card, crypto, e-wallet, etc. Now let's enter deposit details. Select the trading account you want to fund. Then choose your currency, then deposit amount. Click Continue. Now all you have to do is to complete and confirm the transaction. Review your transaction summary carefully, then click Confirm to proceed. You'll be redirected to the payment provider's website. Log into your payment account, then follow the on-screen instructions. Now, once successful, the funds will reflect instantly in your Exness trading account, and the amount will be debited from your selected payment method. Let me know if you want more info about Exness in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.